Hi there! This quick guide is to help you make a stunning bedroom in minutes. First, draw your floor plan. You can draw it yourself or upload CAD file or image. Second, drag finishes to your project. Third, pick your furniture. More than 100,000 products are available in our public library. Two-window collaboration improves design efficiency. The material editor swaps materials and textures. Different display modes. Immersive walk. Fourth, render your project in seconds. Light and environment templates are available. Or you can customize your own. Now, we get a stunning bedroom. 360-degree panorama brings you the ultimate experience. We hope you make many great projects with us.